Good morning everybody and welcome to Living Well. On this Thursday morning I'm coming in today with just bringing in the drum and just bringing in some light codes to help you just be and open up to receive. There's so much going on and we forget about ourselves. We forget to open up and receive at times. So today I'm literally just allowing yourself to receive. It's like my retreat in Cornwall in June. That's all about yourself. It's all about acknowledging how far you've come and literally then opening up the paths to yourself. So today is literally about you just opening up to receive, because we do forget. Good morning, Yvonne. We do forget about ourselves all the time because we put everybody first. It's just in our nature. So today is about you and opening up to you to receive what you need at this moment in time. So I'm going to ask you to take a deep breath in. So calling all your energy back from people, places, situations, time and space. So all the way back through that divine filter of pure love and light. You're going to unhook and unleash from everyone and everything. So all the way back through that divine filter of pure love and light, unhooking and unleashing from everyone and everything. So all the way back through that divine filter and breathe out. Take another deep breath in. And allowing your energy to fully drop into you. So allowing you drop in to you. And breathe out. Take another deep breath in. Acknowledge how you're feeling, not wanting to change anything and letting go of that energy of expectation, whatever that looks for you, whether it's yours or somebody else's. Just dropping that energy of expectation and breathe out. Take another deep breath in. And dropping into your heart, and just visualize 3 big golden roots coming out your heart chakra into your solar plex, your navel, your sacral, your root, your hips, your legs, your feet, the floor, right down into your earth star chakra, through the dolphin matrix, into your inner cities, and right down into that whale matrix, and dropping into the core of Mother Earth. Feeling your energy and Mother Earth's energy combining as one, and feeling this energy move up into your whale, your inner city, your dolphin, and into your earth star chakra, pulling your earth star chakra all the way down, 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 right down into that center of the crystalline grid, all the way down, allowing you to fully anchor your energy into your rightful place, feeling your roots wrap around the crystalline grid, fully anchoring you in, and feeling the second part of the grid come up to fully seal in your earth star chakra. Feeling this energy move up into your feet, your root, your heart. Down. Now I'm feeling it doing a 360 degree around your heart chakra. Now I'm calling in the energy from source. Pure unconditional love of the highest vibration, dropping right down into your stellar gateway, clearing anything that's stopping you from having divine connection, into your soul star chakra so you can see, sense and feel your true soul's path, and allowing that to fully illuminate in front of you, into your causal chakra so your intuition can be fully heightened, into the crown of your head so you can think more clearly, into your third eye so you can see more clearly, into your ear chakra so you can hear divine guidance, into your throat chakra so you can speak your truth with pure love and light, into the higher heart, connecting into that universal energy of 5D, and allowing you to anchor that within your life and body. into your heart so you can love you. You can see you. You can see your beauty inside and out. Into your solar plex so you can unleash your true divine masculine energies, allowing them to fully balance within the body and fully accepting yourself no matter what. Into your navel chakra so you can connect into that universal energy of oneness, oneness to all, connection to all, and allowing you to anchor that within. Into your sacral chakra so you can unleash your true divine feminine energies, allowing them to fully balance within the body. And remember and reawakening your true gifts and talents, who you truly are. Into your root chakra so you can bring in the abundance of life and all life has to offer. Into your hips, your legs and your feet so you can take any necessary steps forward, right down into your Earth Star chakra and into the core of Mother Earth. Feeling this energy move up into your feet, your root and your heart. Doing a 360-degree around your heart chakra, feeling your energy, Mother Earth's energy and Father Sky's energy combining as one. And feeling this energy move to every part of your body, every part of your being, allowing you drop right down into that stillness, into that oneness, into that 0 point where nobody needs anything from you, nobody wants anything from you. This is your time and your space. So just allowing yourself drop in, fully drop in. Just allowing yourself to open up to receive on a very, very deep level. Just feel yourself slowly, slowly coming back. Slowly, slowly coming back, and just crossing your hands over your knees. Slowly, slowly coming back. Just all the way back. It's okay to receive. That's what I need to tell somebody. It's okay to receive. So guys, I will not be on for the next couple of weeks. I am going, tomorrow is St. Patrick's Day here in Ireland, so there'll be no live. And then on Saturday I am flying out to Egypt for 2 weeks. And I'll try and get on. I'm not 100% sure. I'm going to see, can I get some energy from the pyramids. I might do a little video or something. I'm not 100% sure. But I won't be on for the next 2 weeks. There's loads of stuff on my page. There's loads of stuff on my YouTube channel. So guys, thank you for watching this, and thank you for watching the replay. Have a beautiful St. Patrick's Day, and remember, you are the most important person in your life. And remember, the end of March is going to be quite intense, so really, really stay in your own lane. Have a magical day, guys, and I will talk to you all again in the next couple of weeks. Take care. Bye.